Book folding versus book cutting. Here are the main differences. Book folding creates a pattern by folding each page and usually has this angled effect. Book cutting creates a pattern by cutting each page and usually has a flat front with the pattern cut into the book. Both look great, but book cutting is easier to read and allows for more detail. Why is this? Look at this letter O made by book folding. It takes 2 alternating pages to form the top line and then the bottom line. Other letters, like a capital B, can take up to 4 alternating pages to form each line. This reduces the amount of detail that your design can show. However, book cutting doesn't have this problem. You can form multiple lines with each page, allowing for much more detail. I love book folding. Check out my Etsy store for more ideas and subscribe to catch my next design.